In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicator to TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to find, add, and view indicators on your chart with confidence. Start by opening your TradingView chart. Make sure you're looking at the market you care about: stocks, crypto, forex, or futures, and pick a time frame that matches your analysis, like the 1 hour or daily chart. If you're new, you can search for any symbol in the top search bar and open its chart. That puts you in the right place to add indicators. Next, click the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Depending on your layout, it may read Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it often has an FX icon. This opens the indicator library, where you'll find everything from built-in tools to community scripts. Use the search bar in that window to look up the indicator you want by name. If you're not sure of the exact name, try typing a keyword like moving average, RSI, or Bollinger. You'll see categories such as built-ins for standard tools, community scripts for user-created ideas, and sometimes your favorites. As a tip, if you're exploring community scripts, glance at the description, ratings, and update history so you know what you're adding and whether it matches your strategy. When you see the indicator you want, click it once to add it to your chart. You can add more than one, and if there's something you use often, click the star icon to favorite it for faster access later. There's no need to close the library before checking your chart. TradingView will add it immediately. Back on the chart, your indicator will appear either directly on price as an overlay like a moving average, or in its own separate panel below, like RSI or MACD. If you need to adjust it, look for the indicator's title on the chart and click the settings gear. From there, you can change inputs like length or source, switch colors and styles, and fine-tune how it displays. If the chart feels cluttered, use the eye icon to hide indicators temporarily, or right-click an indicator and choose Remove to clean things up. You can also drag panes taller or shorter to make them easier to read. That's all it takes. Open your chart, click Indicators, search, click the one you want, and then view it on your chart. Practice a few times, save your layout, and you'll build a setup that supports your trading style.